welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Neetu, and today I'll make a video on Alight Motion, a complete video on Alight Motion, and I have so many queries received, so I'll be clearing all those in this video. So the first thing I got is how to import a XML file. Like every time you participate in any giveaway, you will get a XML file. So now the question is how to import the XML file. Like, let me show you. You will get a drive link. There's so many pending requests. Like, this is my recent Alight Motion coloring. So just click on the drive link you will get and select any. So when you will click on the link, you will get something like this. So it will be loaded. Just you have to do is click on these three dots, and from here just click on send a copy, and now you can see you get the option of Alight Motion app. So just click on Alight Motion and just leave the space. Now you can see imported project. So it means our project is imported there. Just come here. When you will open the Alight Motion, you will get this surface. Now you have to do is click on projects. When you will click on projects, here you will get all the projects. Like my project is here. This one I have imported right now. So click on this. Now this is, sometimes you won't get this picture. So no worries if you don't get the picture. No, there's nothing to worry about. Click on this, then we will go back first time and it will import our project through this. Click on this plus, then select your size like 1:1, and then plus image and video, and from here select your picture or your video. Like, here is my video, but its resolution is different. So let's take a picture. Here's the picture. Now go back and open up your coloring. First of all, the screenshot one, click on that one and effects. Once click the effects, these three dots, and copy effects. Now just click once on copy effects and go back. Now our new project, and again click on this screenshot one, effects, again three dots, and paste effect. So the effect is pasted. Now we have, sometimes we use gradients, like this is the gradient rectangle one. So just click on the rectangle and again effects, three dots, and now you will see that you can't copy the rectangle one. So in that case you have to do is remove the first layer and copy this one layer. Now once the layer is copied, go back here and click on again. From this option you can copy or paste the layer. Now click on this and paste layer. So you can see the difference. This is without the rectangle, this is with the rectangle. So this is how we can easily import our XML files to our AM colorings to our picture. We can add the filter. Now when it comes to saving the picture or video, just click on here, click here, and if you want video, then it will get exported in video, and if you want current frame, then it will be saved as picture. Exporting, save, and it's saved to gallery. So the next most asked question is this, like you will get this notification whenever you will try to import your video resolution is too high and something like this. So you have to do is go to your Alight Motion app, and these three dots, and from here click on About, and again these three dots, and from here reevaluate codec performance, this one. Just click on this, and it will take some time, and your video will be, you will be able to use that same video on Alight Motion app. Okay, so and also beside these questions, I also get a query that you didn't get the option of Alight Motion when you click on send a copy. So for that, what you have to do is you have to download this special APK, like the APK is given in my story highlights. Just check these and this is the code. What you have to do is just take the screenshot of this and go to any scanner app. If your phone have any scanner app, you can use that one, and if it didn't have, you can download. Here is the simple scanner app. If you don't have any scanner app in your phone, just simply search on from here gallery, and from gallery just select your picture, the screenshot one, go to website, or just sometime you will get copy the text, anything, and from here you can download the app. So yeah, click on package installer. As I have already installed this app, so I'm not going to install it again. You have to install this app, only then this will work. Also, I get so many messages for Alight Motion QR codes except like XML files. So let me tell you all that there is no option for making codes, and even you can import them, but we editors don't have the option to make the QR codes. Editors also requested me to tell them how to save or share your Alight Motion coloring. Like I have made a coloring, and now how I will share it with you. So for that, like you have done everything on your edit, like effects are added and gradient is added. Now we have to share it with anyone. So just came back and a long press on the coloring, then this one, and from here XML. You can see there is nothing else available. So yeah, only XML is available. Click on XML, then export, and then you can share it through Telegram, or you can save it to Drive, like we usually save it on Drive, and just post it on our accounts. So yeah, and it's imported. And another question is how to blend two videos in Alight Motion app. So for that, you have to do is new project and add your pictures, or you can add videos as well. I don't have videos here, so I'm using some pictures, like this picture here, and now again use another picture, and now we have to blend the second picture, the girl one, we have to blend. So go to effects, then add effects. Here search for wipe, standard settings, and now some settings needed. This is some settings. Once you are done with settings, this is feather is used to like blend properly. Like when feather is zero, you can see the line is visible between both the pictures. But if I do with feather, it's properly getting blended. Same you can do with your videos as well. I don't have any video in my gallery, otherwise I'd be showing you the same, but the process is same and it's blended properly, you can see. Let me check if I have some videos. Okay, so if you want to make it more clear, let me show you with some videos. Here is one same video. One is filtered and one is unfiltered. So let's add this one here, and then again the filtered one this side. Now, so basically blending, what you have to do is, for blending the videos, effects, add effects, again wipe effect, and in wipe feather, now it's very easy, like some settings are needed. Effect should be wipe and start according to your video or picture, and end according to your video and picture. Angle, let it be 0 degree, because you can change the angle as well according to your pic or video. And feather also, like how much blending you want, you can change it. So you can see the whole video is blended, so it's a good option to use the video blendings. After the blending one, another one is how to add a video overlay or how to add a watermark and make it transparent. So again, a video will be taken, okay, so this is the video related, if it's your VM or anything. Now you can get the overlays on Google as well, and if you want I can post them also. I was having a overlay video. Yeah, here is the overlay video. You can see it's a black thing, so just adjust it according to your video, and then blending and opacity, then darken, lighten and screen, and it's done. The overlay is added. In the same way you can add your watermark, like here is the watermark of my fan page, lighten and screen, and you can clearly see the watermark is properly added here. You can change its capacity, and yeah, it's done. Basically we usually think that a light motion is a complex app to handle it, but it's very easy once you get to know about its all features. And to change the project's name, you can directly, like you want to save it in your app with some names, So just click on the project, and there you are able to see the name of your project. So just click there, and from here change your project's name. Now when you will go back, it will be saved with new. Okay, so I have added everything, all your questions. These were some main questions which I get. And if you have any other question, or if you think that I have skipped any part or anything you didn't get, just let me know in comment section. I'll try to make another video for you all, and I will add the link of this app in description box as well. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Please like, comment and share.